Smile, it's free therapy. Be mindful, extremely selective and intentional about the people you allow in your life. It can be life-altering. Don't be afraid to shine. The world needs your light. Be happy with the little you have. There are some people with nothing who still manage to smile. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Your happiness should be your first priority. The work we do on ourselves becomes our gift to everyone else. Personality opens doors and captures hearts. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. Certain people enter our life at the perfect time for the most beautiful reasons, and you know right away it was a gift from God. Allah knows every mask that you put on. You can fool the people, but you can't fool Allah. Being happy doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means you've decided to look beyond the imperfections. My problem, I care for everyone and I end up hurting myself again. Life doesn't control you. Your thoughts control your life. Sometimes life is about risking everything for a dream that no one can see but you. You will become the rainbow after the storm. Some of the smallest things in life can bring you the largest amount of happiness. A relation is not collection of people, but it is selection of hearts. We need to put all efforts to hold them for a lifetime. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Be proud of your kind heart. Not everyone has it. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. Cherish your yesterdays, dream your tomorrows, and live your todays. To be rich is not what you have in your bank account, but what you have in your heart. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.